For the past few weeks, we've had a gray wolf venturing into the area. Tonight, we saw a dramatic display of the predator-prey relationship between these wolves and the deer. White-tailed deer browse through here just about every night. And while they're feeding, they're constantly watching and listening and even smelling for anything that could be a threat. Suddenly, a sharp warning snort breaks the silence. With an explosion of activity, the deer flee into the woods, showing their amazing speed and agility. A moment later, the reason for the alarm becomes apparent as a large gray wolf steps into the area where a few seconds ago the deer were quietly feeding. The wolf was moving quietly and purposefully, keeping a slow pace in the direction that the deer fled. The deer managed to escape tonight, but wolves are patient and persistent hunters. We're sure to see encounters between these two species in the future.